Hello YouTube, how's everybody? This is Bob. A friend of mine went to Utah and in a national forest at 9,000 feet, he bagged an elk. This is the meat he gave us. This is the shoulder. This is the ground elk and elk sausage. This is elk sausage. I have this defrosted. I'm gonna cook it now. And this is elk loin or something, yeah. So lots of meat. I'm gonna cook it and see how it tastes. My friend told me that because the elk was extra lean, it added 10% beef fat to it. 2 eggs. The eggs turn out ugly, but that's okay. It'll taste the same. Now the elk sausage are cooking now. We'll see. Elk sausage and eggs. Let's see. Ooh, smells great. Delicious. Really good. Really good. Juicy. Really good. Tender. And no gaminess. Really good. I highly recommend it. I don't know how the eggs look ugly, but elk sausage. Really good. Added some dinner rolls, eggs, and milk. Great. My wife eating that one. She says it was great. Thank you for watching.